Hello, dear learners. Today I am here to talk on one of the very important topic related to the economics. Why study economics? Before going into the detailed analysis of the various principles of economics, let me ask one question to you all. Why should you as a student at the beginning of 21st century interested to the study of economics? This is the question comes always in mind of each and every millennial learners about economics. There are three reasons for the study of economics in modern time. Number one, the study of economics will help you to understand the world in which you are living. That's very correct. It will give you a clear cut idea about your world which or where you are living. Second, the study of economics will make you a more active to participate in the economy and many economic decisions. So that is also correct. This is the second answer you are able to get. Or economics will make you more active in this area. Number three, the study of economics will give you a clear understanding of economics, potential and limitations of the economic policies. Now the next question is, what is economics? How to define economics? The answer is, economics is the study of how we use our scarce productive resources for the consumption now or future. This definition was given by Paul Samuelson. According to Alfred Marshall, economics is a study of mankind in the ordinary business of life. Economics is the study of how society manages its scarce resources. In most societies, resources are allocated not by an all powerful dictator but through combined action of millions of households and firms. So, economics is the study of how family makes the decision regarding the allocation of different tasks in the family. Economics is the study of how society manages its scarce resources on the basis of what, how, who, why, and whom to produce. So, after learning what is economics, the next question comes in the mind of beginner is, being an economist, what is the role of economist? So let me answer this question. Being an economist, you should study how people make decisions on the basis of various parameters such as how much they work, what they buy, how much they save, how they invest their money into the investment or into the saving, which factors determine their saving and investment behavior into the economy. So these are the things you can study, how people make decision regarding their day-to-day activities. Economists also study how people interact with one to another. That is very important. You can learn something, the interaction into the market. For example, they examine how the crowd of buyers and sellers of the good together determine the price at which the good is sold and quantity that is sold into the market. That is a very, very important things which you can learn with the help of this. Finally, being an economist, we can realize forces and trends that affect the economy as a whole, including the growth in the average income, the fraction of population that can't find work, and the rate at which prices are rising. Thus, the principles of economics can be applied in many of life situations. So that's why principles of economics is very, very important. That is especially 10 principles of economics, which was given by Mankiw through his book Principles of Economics. Thank you very much.